One of my favorite stories to tell in the office is when Mike lost a bet, had to buy me lunch, and now has to listen to 15 years worth of he lost a push-up contest to a junior high girl. Now this girl was also on the rowing team, so she was super strong in the upper body. Her body weight was small, so she had a really high power to weight ratio, and she did a bunch of push-ups on the exercise ball with her feet up on the vibration plate, hands on the ball. And Mike tried his hardest, he tried to muscle his way through it, but he still lost. The other part of the story is that Mike had a labral tear that every time he'd load that shoulder, it was just pulling on the labral tear, shutting down his shoulder muscles, which is why he lost. I don't tell a lot of people the second half of the story, I just told them that Mike lost the push-up contest to a girl. Now, with that, we do the same principle in the office frequently. People will come in, especially young high school or early college age individuals with shoulder pain. They can do 40 or 50 push-ups on the ground, but they can't do 10 with the exercise ball. The reason for that is they don't have the shoulder stabilizers or scapular stabilizers developed enough. They try and muscle their way through it, but they can't, which is why they're overwhelming their shoulder muscles and tendons, leading to injuries, which is why we're treating them in the office. So our progression is not just the shockwave therapy and Graston therapy and muscle techniques for those muscle adhesions, but also rebuilding that shoulder stability with specific exercises and balance. As they improve and progress, they'll go from 10 on the exercise ball to 15, 20, and eventually be able to do 40 or 50. But next time you're in the office, please ask Mike why he lost a push-up contest.